Hello guys, we are now in the Manusuk Sima ceremonial event, and this is our friend from France. Now we want to see their reaction or their opinion about Manusuk Sima ceremonial event.
So guys, what have you ever been in Nganjuk?
This is our first time here. We are exchange students in Surabaya, and it's our first time visiting this city.
Since student.
Okay, so in your opinion, how about the Manusuk Sima ceremonial?
It was really nice. It's the first time I had a ceremony like that, and it was wonderful.
Thank you. That's all from us and our friend. Thank you.